What's going on, everybody? Welcome back. Everything seems to be in order. We've got 5-second block times. The SHIB burn is happening. And also we are seeing massive transactions moving around on the network. What is going on and why are people still going after SHIB? Well, we're going to break it all down for you in this video. So be sure to subscribe to the channel to keep up to date with the latest and greatest in cryptocurrency. And with that being said, let's take a look at exactly what is going on right now over on the cryptocurrency market. So Shiba Inu up about 0.35%. is an upward trend here on the 1 hour chart. We're looking to retest that 8.6 level, obviously on the back of Shibarium. Now, a couple of things did happen, which I talked about in my video yesterday. We saw some Ethereum getting stuck. The bridge got stuck to about 1.7 million. And then basically everyone had a massive meltdown in terms of what was happening with Shibarium. But you know what they say? Wherever the market is fearful, be greedy. And fundamentally that is what we saw. We saw massive amounts of whale movements, particularly about 7.69 trillion SHIB recorded in just 4 hours moving around on chain. I think that's very interesting to see here on this sentiment. 7.69 trillion SHIB on chain volume in just 4 hours, the highest since price bottom on June 9th, and some massive transactions going through as whales start to move the what they had in exchanges onto the Shibarium network. And I think that's two things: very bullish for Shibarium long term, and equally shows you exactly where some of these whales want to put their funds. Now we're waiting for Treat to come out, waiting for some of these validators to get there. We still can't quite access the full DApp for when it comes to Shibarium. What we do know though is the blockchain is going, and we did about 153,000 transactions the day of launch, 170,000 on the 17th. We're waiting to see yesterday's indexing, but we can say 5-second block time, and you can see some of these as we start seeing Bone being used as that native token and has been burnt as part of it. Now we also see Leash coming through whenever we get token transfers, and we're also starting to see some NFT transfers as well as other bits and pieces. So again, this is the Shibarium network. This was what we called out on the live stream, and it is up, functioning and moving, which is good to see. But what do we have? Why was it such a problem? And ultimately, what does it look like going forward? Well, Shibarium's launch through highly anticipated did not bode well for the Shiba Inu ecosystem, as prices of SHIB, Bone and Leash have continued to fall. Now, I think it's fair to say that the concept and the pitch for Shibarium was actually pretty good when you broke through the layers of what it was. However, what was delivered to the audience was particularly poor, again, given market sentiment right now. But what do we have here? And this is where it gets interesting. So it says whales were still interested in SHIB at press time, remained most traded token among top 100 ETH whales in the last 24 hours. And it says here the SHIB tokens are underperforming. Tokens like Bone, Doge, Killer suffered since the launch. The launch has helped boost Bone's popularity, however, as evident from the rise in social volume. Regardless, the dip in Bone's weighted sentiment have late revealed that negative sentiment around the token dominated the market. Now, I've talked about Bone being the fundamental core token of Shibarium, and I think long term is absolutely the one to keep your eye on. At the minute, I think people have lost an element of trust when it comes to Shibarium, but this is why my point at the very start of this video is when people are fearful, become greedy. And we can say that for the broader cryptocurrency market. When people are fearful, become greedy. This is the opportunity where you get in at prices you might not see before. Now, I talked about this on my live streams, on my previous videos, so definitely subscribe, follow me on Twitter, where I was saying do not buy Bone right now. We are going to get an opportunity to get back in. And again, you can see here as part of the sentiment move that that's exactly what we got. Now, again, what's the price looking like? Well, we want to test this 8.6 level. When we look at Bone at 118, is holding its consolidation around that 118, 119 range. Did break down below to 109. Again, if you're looking to pick some of this buy orders, 113 would be potential to get in, but looking for some support off that 20-day EMA. If you come out even further, let's say we go to the 4 hour, you can see we are right now very bearish against the 200 EMA, and I talk about that a ton on my channel. 200 EMA is a very important level as we are sitting beneath it now. We want to see that start to move up to the upside. Likewise with SHIB, again, we're still under that 200 EMA, so we want to see this kind of close out over the course of the next 2 or 3 days as we push up. Bitcoin looking like it's trying to break back above 26.1, keeping our eye on that. But ultimately, we have a network that's operating. The Shibarium network is live. Bone is being burned. Shiba Inu, we are yet to get some full calculations about that, but I, for one, I'm pretty excited. And again, a lot of people right now are looking into the depths of SHIB. What can I find that ultimately is not particularly true? So be mindful of the sources you find your information at, and there's a ton of stuff going around about Shiba Inu, but price is moving up. The network is live. SHIB's been burnt. Bone's been burnt, and we're waiting for Treat to come out as well as those validators. So we'll keep up to date with everything going on. All you've got to do, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and keep watching. I'll see you all in the next one. Bye-bye.